Okay, this is the Excalibur 1510. This is in a 2014 Toyota Sienna. Basically, somebody broke in and stole a bunch of stuff out of the van. So we end up sticking the Excalibur alarm system in. To arm it, you're going to hit lock. That locks all the doors. Disarm it, you're going to hit unlock. Okay, we program it to open every door. You get out of the car, close the door. Panic button, if you hold it down for 5 seconds, you can fire the alarm off. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window. The alarm will trigger. The remote control beeps. It tells you disarm. When you arm it, it tells you arm. That's the shock sensor, and it'll give you a little hammer right on the front windshield. If somebody opens any doors around the van, you get in, the alarm will trigger. Okay, it gives you the little door that the alarm went off. Basically, when you disarm the alarm, it turns on the parking lights to keep them on for 30 seconds. You can disable that, as some people might not want that. The alarm, when the alarm fires off, the car won't start. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that real quick. Alarm fires off, the van doesn't start. If you disable the alarm, the van will start right up. Okay, I can program it so when you close the door and start the car, it locks the doors, and when you turn it off, it unlocks the door. But I turned it off in this case because this car already has it from factory. When you put the car in drive, it locks the doors, and when you put it on park, it unlocks the doors. This is the antenna on the top that sends you the signal to the remote control, a couple lengths of a football field, and has the little valet button in the center, and it's got 2 LED lights, one in each corner, so you can see it from the outside of the vehicle. This alarm was installed here in Kendall, in Miami, Florida, by Auto Alarm Specialist. Thank you for watching this video.